Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our project, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup tool, and a soft brush for cleaning. Having these on hand will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, unplug your Dyson V10 and place it on a clean, flat surface. This ensures safety as we work on the unit. Start by removing the dust bin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This gives you access to the internal components. Next, using the Torx T15 screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that hold the body in place. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe location, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the body away from the motor assembly. It may require some force, so ensure you are careful not to damage any internal wiring. If you find it difficult, a suction cup tool can help you pull the body away without causing harm. Now, we will focus on cleaning the internal components. Use a soft brush to remove any debris or dust that may have accumulated inside. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. A clean motor will ensure better suction and longevity of your vacuum. After cleaning, it's time to replace the motor. Carefully detach the motor from the existing body. You will find additional screws that need to be removed. Again, use your Torx T15 screwdriver for this task. Be cautious with the wiring connections. If you're unsure, consult the user's manual for guidance. Once the old motor is removed, take the new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that all connections are tight but not overly forced, as this can lead to damage. Now, let's reattach the body. Carefully align it with the motor assembly and push it back into place. Make sure that everything fits snugly and that there are no gaps. Reinsert the screws you set aside earlier to secure the body firmly. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to tackle this project alone, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is convenient and allows you to avoid any hassle. Plus, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what your vacuum needs. After securing the body, reattach the dust bin. Ensure it clicks into place, confirming it is properly installed. Finally, plug the vacuum back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Before you call it a day, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so if you encounter any additional issues, you can get an estimate before proceeding. This can save you time and give you peace of mind about your repair costs. In summary, replacing the body and motor of your Dyson V10 is a manageable task with the right tools and steps. By following this guide, you can enhance your vacuum's performance and extend its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.